First time I tried the strawberry halls, my voice is fine. Sometimes I just use cough drops like candy. When I'm in a rush and I don't have time to get mints or gum or spray, at least I can prevent a cough from happening when I'm doing alright, so glory to God. What do these taste like? I never had strawberry cough drops before. Strawberry. Glory to God, always, for these opportunities. Ooh, it looks red like the cherry ones. I like it. It's sweet. Oh, from 1 to 10, I give it a 10. Being delicious, awesome. Yeah. Thumbs up.